Don't miss the Kubota and Clarkes of Cavan Showcase event 2025.
Join us on March 7th and 8th for 2 action-packed days of Kubota machinery to get up close to.
Power your farm with the M-Series Agri tractors, delivering 66 to 175 horsepower of performance. Take advantage of 0% finance and make the smart choice for efficiency and reliability. For ground care, we have Ireland's largest range of Kubota equipment, from the versatile domestic lawnmowers to the professional commercial lawnmowers, all designed to keep your grounds in top condition. View our full range of Kubota compact tractors and get up close to the Kubota RTVs, perfect for any farm task. Plus, explore our full range of Kubota implements, including balers, mowers and tethers. Don't miss a massive 15% off all Kubota service kits, parts and oils, along with 10% off all services and repairs when you book throughout our event. Avail of 0% finance on all Agri tractors with 5-year warranty included, so don't miss out. Join us here at Clarkes of Cavan.